Well, happy St Patrick's Day today, and it also marks 98 days until the EU referendum in Britain. This week is the dominating debate this week has obviously been the issue about migration, and the ministers from across the member states will be coming together. We all want to see a resolution to this because the humanitarian crisis, in particular the number of child refugees that are coming into the European Union and how they are looked after and cared for, is something that I think are in all of our minds. So we hope that there will be a resolution this week to the migration crisis that the European Union faces. On the single market, I'm on the Vice Chair of the Single Market Committee, and this week we've been meeting again to look at the untapped potential, the €1 trillion untapped potential of the single market. The great thing about the single market, certainly from a Labour perspective, is the fact that you can have social rights balanced with access to 500 million people covering 28 countries. And the sad fact in the debate on the referendum is that those who want us to come out risk us having access to the most important market that we sell and trade our goods to, thus risking jobs and opportunities for people in Scotland. As part of the single market too, we look at standards, and it was really interesting this week to meet someone who is created a fair phone, a phone that is conflict mineral free. And I think if you can create a phone, a mobile phone, a smartphone that is conflict mineral free currently, why can't other manufacturers do the same thing? I do think it's really important that we think about how we source our goods and services, and conflict mineral free products are something I wholeheartedly welcome. I've also been meeting the Norwegian delegation this morning, and it's been great to have Norwegian MPs here in the Parliament. But I think we can't kid ourselves that the relationship Norway has with the European Union is not the same as being a full member. Norway have to abide by the rules and pay to trade, but have no say on how the rules are created. So it's great to welcome Norwegian MPs to the Parliament today, but it's also important to recognise the trade-off that they have compared to being a full member of the European Union.